Hello everyone. Question is a company is migrating its on-premises database workloads to the AWS cloud. A database specialist performing the move has chosen AWS DMS to migrate an Oracle database with a large table to Amazon RDS. The database specialist notices that AWS DMS is taking significant time to migrate the data. Which actions would improve the data migration speed? Choose three options. Option A, create multiple AWS DMS tasks to migrate the large table. Option B, configure the AWS DMS replication instance with multi-agent. Option C, increase the capacity of the AWS DMS replication server. Option D, establish an AWS Direct Connect connection between the on-premises data center and AWS. Option E, enable an Amazon RDS multi-AZ configuration. Option F, enable full large binary object LOB mode to migrate all LOB data for all large tables. Correct answer is option C, D and option E. Question is a financial services company has an application deployed on AWS that uses an Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL DB cluster. A recent audit showed that no log files contained database administrator activity. A database specialist needs to recommend a solution to provide database access and activity logs. The solution should use the least amount of effort and have a minimal impact on performance. Which solution should the database specialist recommend? Option A, enable Aurora database activity streams on the database in synchronous mode. Connect the Amazon Kinesis data stream to Kinesis data firehose. Set the Kinesis data firehose destination to an Amazon S3 bucket. Option B, create an AWS Cloud trail in the region where the database runs. Associate the database activity logs with the trail. Option C, enable Aurora database activity streams on the database in asynchronous mode. Connect the Amazon Kinesis data stream to Kinesis data firehose. Set the firehose destination to an Amazon S3 bucket. Option D, allow connections to the DB cluster through a Bastion host only. Restrict database access to the Bastion host and application servers. Push the Bastion host logs to Amazon CloudWatch logs using the CloudWatch logs agent. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a database specialist needs to define a database migration strategy to migrate an on-premises Oracle database to an Amazon Aurora MySQL DB cluster. The company requires near zero downtime for the data migration. The solution must also be cost effective. Which approach should the database specialist take? Option A, dump all the tables from the Oracle database into an Amazon S3 bucket using data pump expdp. Run data transformations in AWS Glue. Load the data from the S3 bucket to the Aurora DB cluster. Option B, order an AWS Snowball appliance and copy the Oracle backup to the Snowball appliance. Once the Snowball data is delivered to the Amazon S3, create a new Aurora DB cluster. Enable S3 integration to migrate the data directly from Amazon S3 to Amazon RDS. Option C. Use the AWS schema conversion tool, that is AWS SCT, to help rewrite database objects to MySQL during the schema migration. Use AWS DMS to perform the full load and change data capture CDC tasks. Option D. Use AWS Server Migration Service AWS SMS to import the Oracle Virtual Machine image as an Amazon EC2 instance. Use the Oracle Logical Dump utility to migrate the Oracle data from the Amazon EC2 to an Aurora DB cluster. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.